Feels like the gladiator scene.
They, at the start of 2022, when every Monday and Tuesday morning they would do the same gym classes. Dominique vividly remembers this because he lifted twice as much weight as anyone else and made 3 times as much noise. She was the most athletic person in the class and Jay fancied her straight away. Cut to a few months later and Dominique took herself off to Sri Lanka to a retreat in the jungle. But she couldn't get this big noisy boy out of her head. So when she returned to the gym, she made an effort to chat him up. Despite having their first date in a really dodgy local bar, they've become inseparable. They would talk every day, meet multiple times a week, and find any excuse to spend more time with each other. Well, in September last year, in true Jay dramatic style, he made Dominique walk up Ben Nevis and proposed at the highest point in a storm, a cloud of wind and sleet and rain, and Dominique was simply speechless. But on that occasion, she simply said yes. Dominique is the most caring and supportive person I know. She's extremely driven and intelligent. She puts up with me and laughs at my silly dad jokes. Despite how annoying I am, she's always on my side. But she's also a fitness fanatic and loves the outdoors. We have polar opposite personalities. That balances each other out perfectly. It makes us so compatible. And Dominique, I said, what is it about Jay that made you fall in love with him? Do you really want to spend the rest of your life with this man? She wrote to me, she said, well, Neil, to be honest, where do I begin? Because in my eyes, he's simply perfect. A kind of Johnny Depp and Harry Styles with a bit of Chris Hemsworth rolled in.
Oh my God. Oh.
Hi.
Oh, you look amazing.
Thank you, so do you.
Give me 12. Dominique, you are the love of my life, the inspiration I've always sought. I pledge my dedication to you for the rest of my life.
The best thing I decided to do was share with my life with you. I promise to be true to you through the changes of life. I will remain by your side in times of want and times of need.
I, Jay, accept you, Dominique, in marriage and choose you as my lawfully wedded wife and equal partner.
I, Dominique, accept you, Jay, in marriage and choose you as my lawfully wedded husband and equal partner.
Let the earth of my body be mixed with the earth my beloved walks on. Let the fire of my body be the brightness in the mirror that reflects his face. I declare that you, Dominique, and you, Jay, are married, and I invite you to share your first kiss as Mr. and Mrs.